How to log into USBank Online Banking account. Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you the steps on how you can log into your online banking account of USBank. In order to log into your online banking account of USBank, first thing first, make sure that the device is connected to an internet service, and then to begin with, open up a web browser of your choice. So for this video, I'm going to go with the Google Chrome. If you're using a mobile device and if you have already installed the application, either way the procedure will remain the same, so you can follow the instructions. After you open up a web browser, on the web address bar, type in www.usbank.com. Now this is going to take you to the official web page, and this is how the interface is going to look like. If you don't have an online banking account, click on Get Started and then register yourself. However, if you already have an account, click on Login, which is in the right hand side corner, and this is going to take you to the login field. So then to log into your account, first of all, select your account type. So click on this arrow icon right over here, and then you have a multiple of options. So select it accordingly, providing the username and then the password registered to your US Bank, and click on the login button. This is going to log you into your account if you have provided a valid information. However, if you're unable to log into your account, then you can click on Get Login Help, which is right at the bottom, and then update your information. So in this way, you can log into your online banking account of US Bank. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Also, make sure to comment down below for any further queries. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.